So let's get on to the business of creating funnels, which is one of Fast Funnels, obviously the main thing that we can do here, and we do it really well and very quickly. So the funnels then, funnels you can find up here, and then you just click create a funnel to start a brand new one. And really the difference between a funnel and a website is that a funnel produces the pages and they are all in a row like this. So it makes it really easy to see as one person comes in to say the initial landing page, how many people go through to the next page, like how many people opt in and go through to the next page. And then if you've got checkouts and other pages that you want to have as like your target, you can see how many people go through to them. And we do that because we've got these percentages here that we can see the numbers of people that go through. And just here, you can also make any particular funnel step a goal. So we can see the stats right up here like this and see how many people reached that goal. Now you can't do all of that on a website. And also the idea of a funnel is that we're guiding people through the sales process of our choice, of the opt-in, the lead process, instead of just letting them go onto our website and hoping that they find, what it is that they want, hoping that they don't disappear or go off to a different page when really we want them to opt in. And so a funnel just creates a dedicated place to send people that gets you results and gives you a very easy way to monitor the success of that advertising campaign. So when we want to start a new funnel, we just click here, create a funnel. And we've got tons of different templates there for you to get started with, depending on what you're trying to achieve. So here we've got lead generation, webinar registration, lead magnets, opt-ins, appointments. And then we've got like mini landing pages, which are styled like a home page. And then courses, and then coupons. So lots of different templates, or you can just start blank and use the builder to build your own funnel with a completely empty funnel if you would prefer to do that. But let's now talk about one of these. Let's just take a simple one like this here. I think that's a good idea. You can preview any of these by just clicking preview, see what it looks like on the different devices. This is the opt-in page, and then you can see there's the download page. So this would be a simple opt-in and get a free download. That's what this page is about, or this particular funnel. If you're happy with that, you can just click add funnel. You'll name your funnel, so I'll just call it my opt-in, and then click save, and it will just build the funnel for you instantly, and there it is now ready. To see the funnel steps that I just showed you there, just click on funnels. And there's your opt-in page that you're on right now, and there's the download page that we saw, and you can click edit just there. And there it is. So you can switch between the two using the funnels and clicking on the pencil, or you can also go to pages and you can see them there. Now with the opt-in page, what we're going to want to do is to ensure that the person who fills this out, this is going into your database. You may also want to put them into marketing as well, so that you can start sending them automated emails. But just for an example, with this funnel, I'll just show you what you would do. You would go to settings like this. You would type in the name of the form. Let's just put my opt-in for ebook. We'll say that. You can choose where you want to send the notification to. It could be your email address, so you get notifications every time someone completes it. And then you can choose to show a thank you message, or we can move on to the next page, which is what we would do. We would move on to the next step in the funnel, which is already pre-selected for you there. And then we would choose to tag leads if we want to, or we can connect to our own email marketing system here. So let's just put opt-ins like that, opt-ins, and submit. There we go. So now people will go into our email marketing system, into a list called opt-ins, and we can also tag them as well if we wanted to, or we needed to do that. Once you're done, click save. And that's now a functioning form. If you're happy with just the name and email, you can just leave it right there as it is, and that's it done. And then once they've completed that form, they'll go through to the thank you page. So let's just do that right now. I'm just going to put me, there we go, and then just put my email there. And then I want to download the free report. And there we are, go straight through to the thank you page. And then I can upload a file that we would need to download. In fact, we could also do that too. The way to do that is just go to the download page. And then we want to control where this link goes. And at the moment, we've got nothing. So we would want it to go to a file. If we click on that, it'll take you to the file folders, and then you can upload a file. I'm just going to upload like an image here just for the purpose of this demo. There we are. Could be a PDF or something like that. And then just click select, and that's it. So that download button will now enable them to download their freebie, and that's it, job done. And then from the point of view of where that lead went, well, if we go to the CRM, we'll see there I am. And if we click on me, we can see what I've been up to. You can see that I've submitted the form, this one here, my opt-in for ebook. And then if we go to marketing and then subscribers, which is just here, we'll also see that I'm in there now because I've been added to that list that we called opt-in. So everything's working perfect. And now we can start emailing me. We can do all kinds of things using automations, which we've got training for in our other videos. So that's how you build a simple funnel. That was an opt-in funnel. There's lots of different types of funnels, of course, and we will be doing training on all the individual types of scenarios that you might have when you want to build a funnel. You can add more steps to this funnel if you want to. There's an unlimited amount of steps. You can go ahead and add a new one. And that could be a pop-up. It could be a page. And we also have section labels, which are quite useful for you to visually just see what's doing what in this particular funnel. So if I add this and I just say this one here, let's just put membership. Maybe we would want to put a membership area after they've downloaded. So I can add a new step, create a new page, and then choose the sort of page that I would like. Let's just say it was this course here for a quick demo. Let's just put course. And then I'll just add it in like that. And there we are. There's our little course. Now that is now the next step in the funnel here. Now they've got no way of getting to this point unless you make it that way. Or of course you can email them to go to the next step. So at the moment, this funnel is an opt-in. They go to this page, they opt in, and then they go to the download page to download. But there's nothing to stop you from creating multiple different steps, emailing people to come to this step now. And we can even have kind of funnels within a funnel. You can separate them out. You can have several different steps doing different things and just drive traffic to the start of each kind of mini funnel within this funnel. Or you can just create a separate funnel. So they're really versatile, and you can see all the analytics, such as how many people have visited your funnel, how many have reached the goals. You can see all of your sales and your orders, the products that they've had, and any upsells or downsells that have taken place. And I'll show you how to do an upsell and a downsell in a separate video. You can share a link to your funnel by just clicking up here like this. And then anybody who has got this link can import this funnel into their FastFunnels account as well. And if you want to go and see what your funnel looks like, you can just click there, view funnel in a new tab, or of course you can use the preview, which is down here, just like that. And we can see what it looks like in the different devices as usual. And then remember, to get your funnel looking perfect for mobile, you can also edit it in the phone view here and get it just right. We can use our styling to globally style how it would look for mobile only, which is another really good thing to do, just to make sure you get maximum conversions. With so many people using their phones now to access the web and to go and look at things like this, you need to make sure it's very mobile friendly. So that's how you do a funnel. You can also put it on your custom domain. If we go to settings just up here, let's do that now. So you can add custom code to your funnel, CSS. You can do the entire funnel if you want to, or you can just do the one page that you're on. So lots of options there. And then we can just control the domain right here. That's your standard system domain. You can even change that if you wanted to. If you're not too worried about using a .fastfunnels.com domain, then you can just edit this and just change it to like myoffer.fastfunnels.com if you wanted to. Or you can go and connect to a brand new domain name. And we allow that on every funnel that you have in your account according to your plan. We can change our language and time. We can do a cookie disclaimer on the funnel as well. And then we can go ahead and connect things up right here if you want to use any of these apps. And then personalization. We've covered this in another training video, but you're able to copy these and then put them throughout your funnel to use people's first name and so on. And then a redirect, you probably won't have any real reason to use this, but if you ever wanted to, you can create redirects as well in case you ever change your funnel address or something and you want to send it somewhere else from now on. You can do that by clicking on the redirects. So that's pretty much it with funnels. Best to practice, have a go at creating one and just try it out. But really, we just start here and then just find the best, most suitable kind of template for your business model. This one's a booking, so that would mean it involves a calendar. Let's just show you what that looks like, a booking funnel. And there we go. Now that will bring in the calendar as well into the booking systems already done for you. So if we go to bookings now, there you go. You can see that the event has already been put in there because of this funnel. It requires one. And then if we preview, we can see what happens. We click that free consultation and there's our calendar. And then once they've booked, there'll be another page after that. To see the steps of the funnel, once again, just click on funnels there. And you can see there's the landing page, there's the booking page, and then there's the thank you page. And then we've also put in some different service page designs as well, in case you want to kind of send people to this to show them, all of your different services that you offer. So you've got different landing pages that you can use. Anytime you don't want one of these, it's no problem. Just click on the three dots, just click delete. And then these three dots give you all kinds of options as well. So you can duplicate a step and you can also copy to another funnel. So you can copy an entire funnel step from one funnel to another, which is very, very useful to save you having to recreate it if you wanted to do that. But if you've got any questions about funnels, then obviously get in touch with support or go to the knowledge base. But as I say, there will be some specific training on how to create funnels for a specific purpose, in depth, starting from scratch with each funnel. And you'll see that in the training area very, very soon, if not already by the time you watch this training.